Okay, in order to make your pop art donuts, this is kind of what it's going to look like when you're finished. You get to decorate your donuts however you want. They can have a hole in it, or they don't need to have a hole in it, that's fine. You're going to decorate them with crayons. You can use colored Sharpies and then watercolor for the background. Now to start out, I've already divided your paper into 4 rectangles. What you're going to do is you're going to take this plastic cup that I'm going to give you, and you can just use Sharpie. You don't have to do pencil for this unless you prefer to. And what you're going to do is in each rectangle, you're going to place the circle in about the middle, and then you're going to trace around it. Now remember, if you're using Sharpie and it moves and you mess up, you won't be able to erase it. So I'm going to go around and put 1 circle in each of the rectangles. And like if you want to make it to where there's like a bite out of one of your donuts, you can. I wouldn't go around the whole donut first. I would leave like a space where you can do some like little lines and stuff, like little wavy lines to make it look like someone's taking a bite out of it. That's just fine. And then I'm going to add circles to mine. And I think this one I'm not going to add a circle. I'm going to make it one of those jelly-filled donuts. And then I'm going to go ahead and add what kind of icing I want on my donut. Just kind of doing little squiggles around the outside of it. And there's going to be icing on this donut too, just a different kind. Once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to use like colored Sharpies to add like sprinkles or like drizzled icing or lines, kind of decorate them how you want. And then after I put like the sprinkles on with my marker or my colored Sharpie, then I just use a light crayon and color over that so that you can see the sprinkles. And notice how I went ahead and did the Sharpie outline of my lines, the vertical and horizontal line. You're going to want to Sharpie those in too, so that you can see the lines on your paper and you can see all the rectangles. Once you have decorated all your donuts, then the last thing you're going to want to do is some watercolor. Now make sure you color in your donuts all the way, or that watercolor is going to get in any white that you leave inside of your donut. And you're going to want to do contrasting colors, so something that's completely different than what you used for your donut, so that it'll stand out a lot easier. And when you're done, your paper should look something similar to this. I can't wait to see your work.